morning. It is Thursday the 3rd of July. So this will be day 57. So I think we're rolling 54 and 55 and 6 and 7 into 1. Just while I went bush and had some time out, I'm back here on Doxie. I've just spent the night on Doxie, which has been nice. She's lovely and protected there in the little pontoon, which I've been very kindly loaned for my stay here. So yeah, today's going to be a bit of a catch-up day, basically. I was intending to go on to Bribie Island and then make a jump there from Mooloolaba to Mooloolaba even. But a strong wind warning's come up for today, so I think it'll be a good day to catch up on jobs that I need to do on Doxie anyway. And then maybe do the stretch to Mooloolaba in one go tomorrow. So get away really early and get some good miles below the keel by the end of the day. So I am dying for my coffee. And guess what? I've got my coffee maker back. Real coffee coming up. There she is. Bring in the drinking water hose and get those water tanks filled while we can. Oh, that's a sweet sound. It's been way too long. Okay, so that little rod and bolts I got sorted out at my friend's place I've now got here. I've just ensured that the boom brake is wound correctly, and we'll now give it a go putting it back in place. Well, thank you, Alex, for your input on this. We now have that bolted on securely. Happy about that. Just have to keep an eye on it, just to make sure it's not working loose. But yeah, there we go. Boom brake back in business. Nice. And for my lunchtime entertainment, I'll watch the yacht races. Cool. You guys are all sitting up there on the hill there. They're ripping along. Right, and now for some battery hijinks. Yeah, I'm just moving the main panel, solar panel, across to the house batteries, and I'm going to put the small trickle control panel onto the start battery. So just following all these cables, which is so much fun. Yeah, there we go. Got the new Victron SmartSolar charge controller on there now. And yeah, got the app to go with it, so I can see history and what's going on at the moment and all sorts of cool stuff. So be interesting to see how that goes as we go through. Well, that was a busy day after all that. So got a lot of little jobs done. Got the MPP2 replaced. Yeah, as you saw on my walk around just before, I found a shackle was coming loose at the foot of the jib. So I thought, yeah, that doesn't look right. And yeah, sure enough, it was working its way out. So yeah, worth doing the walk around, I can tell you. You just find those little things before they go wrong. Anyway, looking forward to getting back out on the water tomorrow. So yeah, sleep here up early, I'd say, and get away to Mooloolaba. So yes, it feels like it's a while now since I've been sailing. So I guess it's a week or so. Anyway, I'm ready for it, so see you on the flip side. And don't forget to subscribe. More to come. This is Dawn Raider, out. Thanks for watching another Adventures of Foxy Doxie. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.